Hello everyone, hope you're having a magical day today. Today we are at the George W. Bush Museum, and unfortunately because of COVID they are closed, but we're going to go see the gravesites, and so let's go check it out. So there's the museum and library. Unfortunately we can't go. So sad. And just to let you know, we are in College Station, that's where this is at. And look at the water. Wow, this is gorgeous.
Do you want to take the long way? Or?
Let's go the long way. Yeah, we're taking the scenic route.
We're gonna go under the roof.
Oh no, we're gonna go underwater. I guess we gotta go swimming for it. Oh wait. Pond is catch and release only. Oh, so if we go swimming they can catch us and then they have to put us back. Woods, over the bridge and through the woods we go. To grandmother's house we go. Nope. So the gravesite is open during museum hours. Do not throw items into the secured gravesite. Thank you. From the museum. So of course you can't go into the actual graveyard, but I'm gonna walk up to the gates here. Pay your respects. So I love that they have the seal. So you have George H.W. Bush, June 12th to 1924 to November 30th, 2018. You have Pauline Bush, Robin, from December 20th, 1949 to October 11th, 1953. And Barbara Bush, June 8th, 1925 to April 17th, 2018. So one thing I like is the fence post at the top. It's actually a globe. I like that. So that was our trip out to the Bush Museum and the gravesite. Again, the museum is closed right now due to COVID. So with that, thank you for joining me and have a magical day.